Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Some Sugar Some Spice. So I'll start with this video without any delay showing you the property Royal Savoy in Sharm el Sheikh, Egypt. So this resort is located at a distance of around 7 kilometers from the airport and right next to Soho Square, which is one of the best place to explore in Sharm el Sheikh. Now resort wise this property is really huge and beautiful. Let me first start by giving you the room tour. So the room which we booked in the hotel was the Royal Savoy Junior Suite with jacuzzi, and the washroom was a good size here, and this is the separate shower area. Now when we enter the room, we have the jacuzzi right in front of your bed, and the bed also has a nice covering. The size of the room is huge, it's quite spacious, and light was also good. This was the huge balcony which was attached to our room. It has seating space, it has a good view, a full view of the swimming pool, and you can see the complete building as well as the sea towards the end. So that was all with the room, and now let's take you towards the beach and other common areas. The beach and the blue turquoise water is surreal from this resort, and also you can have scuba diving and snorkeling here. They have their in-house center where you have trainers to take you to it for the scuba diving. This is the private beach of the resort with lot of beach shacks and sunbeds. They have towels for you and changing rooms as well, so you can really enjoy, have a dip in the water, change here and relax on the sunbeds. The sunset views are really amazing. They even have restaurant. You can order some food and have it while enjoying all your time here. As you know, Sharm el Sheikh is best known for its marine life, the beautiful coral reefs under the water. So like all other resorts, this resort also has an access point where you can go into the water, do your snorkeling and enjoy the complete views of the coral reefs. We also went inside the water and saw those beautiful pretty fishes, and it was really a nice experience. Since we stayed here only for a day, this was the next morning when we had our breakfast in the restaurant while overlooking the complete property and the swimming pool. The hospitality as well as the services of the resort are really good. And you can also see our experience of staying in Rixos Premium Sea Gate in Sharm el Sheikh through my another video from the Egypt playlist. And if you like this video, then do give it a like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Thank you, take care and bye bye.